and welcome to another episode of Creative Skills Club. I'm Diego, and it's a very special episode because, look, both of them are here, Adelaide and Sebastian. And they're both here because today's animal of the day is actually an animal that they both recently caught. Can you tell us what it is?
Octopus.
An octopus. And more specifically, a two-spotted octopus. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so like the species?
Yeah, tell us some cool facts about it.
Two-spotted octopus is not like most octopuses. They don't live in the open ocean. They only live by shores and beaches and rocky places. They eat clams and mussels. They can change their color and shape, and if they lose an arm, they can grow it back.
Yeah, pretty cool. So we thought it'd be really fun to actually draw this. And we're not just going to draw any two-spotted octopus. We're going to make him an artist octopus with a really cool hat. So get your markers or pens, get your paper and your colors, and let's get started. So let's get started with the hat. Get your markers. We're using Sharpies. You can use any marker, pen, even pencil if you like. So we're going to do the brim of the hat first. So leave room up here for the hat. So we're going to start around the middle, kind of above the middle slightly. And I'm going to make a kind of a curved line. If it's straight, that's fine too.
There.
Now on each side of that line, we're going to curve it up a little bit. Yes, great. And now right in the middle, make yourself a little guideline, just a straight line. Try to get as close to the middle as you can.
Like that.
Yeah. Cool. All right, now we're going to pick it up from here and come down and meet that line and then come up to the other side. Okay. Now we're going to do it's going to be a top hat. I'm kind of partial to those if you haven't noticed that already. So we're going to come up on both sides, and I'm kind of flaring out to the side a little bit.
This is the hat?
Yeah, that's the hat.
That's how I see it. It looks like a hat.
Cool. And now at the top, we're going to make another line, kind of curvy, and meet there. That's our top hat. Yes. Okay, we're going to do the brim. It's got like a little rim like that.
Done.
Yeah, and then it's got a cool strap. Well, I think it's kind of cool, right in the middle.
Done.
And of course, it wouldn't be complete with a feather on the side.
Wait.
And I'm just put a couple lines there to show that it's a feather.
I'll just do that. You do it like that. There.
Yeah,
A feather.
that's good. All right, so now we're going to do the octopus's head. We're going to come down kind of like a C shape from the top hat.
Like from here?
From the edge, like, yeah.
From here?
Yes, right over here.
Or here.
Yes. And now on the other side, same thing. We're going to go down to about the same level where we left off with the other one.
Right here.
Yes, right there, Addie. Great. Looks kind of like a snowman right now, doesn't it?
It looks like the top of the snowman.
It does. Okay, let's make him look more like an octopus then. We're going to put an eye. So just below that line, we'll make his first eye. Just make a nice circle, and then I'm going to put the little eye sparkles.
Right here. Right here?
Yes. Okay, now fill it in. And on the other side, he's going to be winking. I thought that might look cool. So the other eye is just giving us a wink. Okay. Perfect. Now, on each side, we're going to do like a C shape around the eye. So it's kind of like a half circle. Like that. And same thing for the other side.
That?
Yeah. Don't forget this eye. Yes. Oh, and just one thing to make it look like he's actually wearing the hat. Let's put a little shadow under there.
A shadow.
Yeah, good job. Okay, that looking good. Okay, now I thought to make him look a little more artistic, we'd give him a little mustache. Okay, so right under the eyes, under this line, if you had an imaginary line right there, put a little smiling mouth right under there. Yeah, yeah, that's cute. Okay, and now from each corner of the mouth, we're gonna do like a S shape, and I'm gonna make it curly. He's got to have a curly mustache, of course. It's got to be curly. He's got curly tentacles. Might as well have a curly mustache. Yeah. Okay, and so we made these lines. I'm gonna make the where the mustache starts a little bit thicker. So it's kind of like a pointy curly mustache.
There.
Yeah, that looks so cute. You guys always make them look cuter than mine. Okay, now we're gonna give him his neck. So just right here under this eye, come down like this.
Wait.
Just right under that, like the eye circle. Yeah, right there. Yep, and then the other one right there. And of course, he's a two-spotted octopus, so we can't forget the two spots. They have their spots kind of along the base of their neck. So I'm going to give one spot there and another spot there. Yeah. Yeah, looking good. Okay, we're going to start with his first tentacles. So picking up from the neck, we're going to curve around, and then when you finish there, go straight, make a line straight up, but kind of at an angle, kind of coming out to the side. So start your tentacle right there, and then make a line up, straight line. Yeah. Okay, cool. Same thing for the other side. We're gonna curve, and then a line up and kind of towards the side. Yeah, cool. And now we're gonna come down a little bit, and this might look a little weird at first, but trust me here, it's gonna look awesome. Make a V, as if he had like stick legs, but just make like a upside down V, like a point there. Start right there in the middle and make a V. No, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, he looks kind of funny right there, doesn't he? We gotta finish its tentacles so you can see where I'm going with this. So, okay, pick up from the end of your V, and we're gonna curve each one out to the side. Yep. Okay. Now, go about this wide. I'm going to put dots there to show you guys where I'm going to start. Yep. Now, start from there and curve around and meet the end of your tentacle. We're going to make it like a kind of round off your tentacle. They totally look like legs right now. Yeah, try to make it more pointy. It's a pointy tentacle. Now this one, go from this line to here. Just go one line. Yeah, one line. Yes. Okay. Let's go up about the same distance. Actually, go from between here and here. Go right in the middle, make a dot there and another dot there. That's where we're going to start our next tentacles. Go about half distance from each line. Yeah, okay. Let's start from here. Go about halfway up this. We're putting our guide dots. And we're going to curve another line on each side. Make a curvy line. Yep. Start here. Yeah, make a curvy line out. Yes. Okay. Now from these dots,
what dots?
From your other dots here that we already made, yep, come down and we're going to make more tentacles. Yeah, oh, that's looking really good. Okay, next we are going to, I'm going to let you guys know what we did here. We're making paintbrushes. So let's start with his right hand. It would be his left to our right. Let's go like this. Okay, just put a line next to it on the inside part. Start here. And then another one on the other side. Like that. Yes, looking good, looking good. Yeah, make your guide dots if you need to. I find that a very helpful technique. Okay, now we're gonna pick up from this dot here and curve around up to that line. Curve around, curve around, curve over to there, yes.
Okay.
And on each end here, make a little tip of a tentacle. You see how he's kind of holding something?
Yeah.
Okay, same thing with this side. Okay. Curving around. And then make the tip of the tentacle coming on the other side. Okay, so we're only going to do 6 tentacles. I know they have more. We'll just pretend they're behind him.
I want to do longer.
Okay, you can do more if you want to. If you want to be creative with yours, sure. They do have 8 tentacles. Okay, so these are going to be his brushes. And on each end, I think it's called the ferrule. We're gonna put a line across the top of each one, and we're gonna kind of come in towards the middle a little bit and do like that. We're gonna come in and make it flat on top. Okay, now at the tip of each one, we're gonna start from the tip, make a S shape. Yes.
Wait, I'm not doing it yet. I didn't do it yet.
And I'm going to meet it like that. Same thing for the other side. S shape. And then the other side is just a curve that meets at the point. So these paintbrushes are going to be dipped in paint. So we're going to put like a little paint dab at the tip of each one. That's what these curvy lines are going to be. Oh, yours is leaking a little bit or dripping? I like that. It's a good idea.
Ooh.
Okay. Next, we're going to finish these paintbrushes. We're going to finish the tip. So come down from this line. Try to follow the same line from the other side. And let's make the tip of the brush.
What tip of the brush? What did you
Okay,
do?
actually, I think I'm getting ahead of myself.
What did you do? Oh, yeah. Wait,
Let's give him tentacles. Of course, we're missing his tentacles. We're going to start from here. We're going to do tentacles on each arm. I'm going to start with this arm first. We're going to start with doing these little bumps. And as I get closer to the tip, I'm going to make smaller and smaller bumps till I just taper off. because it's kind of coming around. Same thing with this side. Make them a little smaller as you get to the top.
There.
Okay, you got your tentacles?
Oh, I gotta do it again.
Same thing with these two tentacles, or actually they're not tentacles, they're the suckers. I keep calling them tentacles. We're doing the little suckers.
I was about to say that's the wrong name.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You guys are the creature experts. You got to correct me. And on these, I thought we might just show the actual circular suckers like that.
Okay, on these?
Yep, yeah, you can add some suckers on those tentacles.
I'll just do it on the, and on, oh.
Yeah.
And
now, looks like you got it already. I'm just going to add the tip of my brush right there. How's yours doing?
Good.
You think you're ready to color?
Pretty.
I am.
Wait.
I think.
Yeah. Is there any tentacles that? Oh. Whoa,
I think you got a lot of tentacles and suckers.
Which I don't even know which one is which.
I don't know either, but maybe when we color it, you can figure out what you want to do down there. All right. I love yours. Let's color! Okay guys, so we just finished coloring our two-spotted artist octopus, and I certainly had a lot of fun doing it. How about you, Sebastian?
Yeah.
What did you like doing about it? What was your favorite part?
Spots and the paintbrushes.
Spots on the paintbrushes. How about you, Sleepyhead? Yeah, this was a lot of fun. Different take on an octopus. Hopefully you've never done an artist octopus before. And if you did like our video, don't forget to
like
and
subscribe.
Keep creating, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Creative Skills Club. Oh, great. Here she comes again. No, don't touch me there. No, that tickles. Oh, I hate low tide.